Fascinating to see. Okay, we have some great video that was sent to us, guys. Take a look at this video. This is, okay, so what are we looking at here, Justin? This is, okay, that's the water that's actually spilling over the Black Canyon Reservoir. Now, when you get that much water, see, Black Canyon doesn't have, the reservoir doesn't have a spillway. The dam itself is the spillway. And so when the water levels get high enough, the water goes up and over the top. Now, this in and of itself is not that unusual. It is the volume of water that's flowing over the Black Canyon Reservoir that is extremely unusual. And that's what caused the 21,000 cubic feet per second to flow down the Payette River there in Emmett. Had some residents there a little worried. Some of those low-lying farmlands and whatnot got some water that started rising up there, but thank goodness everything is settling down, at least for right now. And believe it or not, we had another 5 inches of snow up at Brundage. Bogus Basin reported an additional 4 inches of snow in the last 24 hours, but it melts as quickly as it ends up coming down. So what we're seeing right now is the leading edge of the next weather maker. It's generating some showers, and don't worry folks, this is not going to be the same scenario that we had over the weekend, because when you look at what happened with this last flooding episode, the rain started on Friday in the mountains and it continued on again, off again, all the way through yesterday, and that's what triggered that rapid runoff. So the showers that we have headed this way tomorrow are going to be fairly narrow and fast moving, and we'll see drier conditions on Friday and Saturday. Then the next round of shower activity moves in on Sunday, and then the models are indicating something fascinating that I've been noticing now for the last 2 days in a row. Let me show you what that is. First of all, take a look at this active storm track that we have moving in from the Gulf of Alaska right across into the central part of the country. This is bringing in one system after another. So there goes yesterday's storm racing off into Montana, Wyoming, and the Central Plains. This is the drier air that we've been enjoying today, but there's the leading edge of the next storm. We'll call it tomorrow's rain episode. It's going to be a fairly fast-moving front, and as it pushes in, again, best chance of showers will be in the morning. Then the models are indicating that around the middle of next week, a very significant high-pressure ridge will start building in across the western United States. Now, will that hold true? We're still talking 6-7 days down the road. The thing is that now for the last 2 days in a row, this is what the models have been suggesting, so I'm going to start paying closer attention to it. But if it holds true around the middle of next week, we'll get into one of those blue sky scenarios that will be guaranteed to warm the temperatures up. That is, if it actually happens. And it's something, again, I'll be watching closely for in the days to come. But tomorrow, best chance for showers will be in the morning. The mountains will pick up another little shot of snow above 5,000 feet. Otherwise, the lower elevations will have some shower activity. A scattering of showers expected in the lower Treasure Valley. Again, best chance is going to be during the morning, with temperature readings cooler than average in the mid-50s for daytime highs tomorrow. Boise, Meridian, all other areas in the upper Treasure Valley will see scattered showers in the morning, so do anticipate at least some wet roads for the morning commute, but I think it tapers off fairly quickly in the afternoon. Then on Friday and Saturday, for the most part, partly cloudy skies. I believe we'll see increasing clouds Saturday, late in the afternoon, which will lead to rain on Sunday, and then we start that drying trend. I'm going to shoot for sunny skies next Wednesday with high temperatures warming into the 60s. So big high pressure ridge, that's where we start getting a little concerned, because we get into the pattern where we see these big high pressure ridges like that forming next week. It can warm us up quickly, but it's springtime, so it can be followed by rain. So right now, I think we've seen the worst as far as this round of flooding is concerned, but things will, it's always precarious. We need to continue watching to see what happens next week.
Okay, Roland, thank you.
Okay. Coming up on CBS 2 News, laser surgery